Welcome to InventorCAM Professor on our series of Jumpstart, the easy way to learn InventorCAM. I'm Sydney, your InventorCAM Professor, and in this session we'll be doing Part 9 and the conclusion of Lesson 1. Now that our operations are complete and we have watched our part run in simulation, the only step we have left to do is generate G-code in preparation of machining our part. To output G-code for our entire part, right-click on the operations folders in our CAM manager and highlight G-code all and select Generate. Our G-code is generated based on the parameters of our CNC control chosen when we set up our CAM project and is opened in Notepad for us to view before it goes out to the machine. Also note the Gcode file name defaults automatically to our CAM project name. Now, if we want to generate a G-code for a specific operation, we can right-click on the operation in our CAM tree, highlight G-code, and select Generate. Since we only selected one operation, we are prompted to give our G-code a file name in case you want to save it. We will just call it AA for this example. As you can see, we get our generated G-code opened up in Notepad, but this time it's only for our selected operation. We also have the option to split our program in the instance that we are working with multiple setups before we output our G-code. For example, let's say we want our last operation to come out as a separate G-code. We can right-click on our third operation and select Split. As we can see in our CAM tree, a split has been inserted after our third operation. Now when we right-click on our operations folder in our tree and select G-code all and click on Generate, we get two separate G-code files. One called simplecover.tap that handles our first three operations, and the second one called simplecover-1.tap that handles our drilling operation. Also, we are not limited to just one split. We can put multiple splits in our CAM tree and generate multiple G-codes. This concludes Part 9 and our final part of Lesson 1 in Jumpstart. Thank you for joining us on InventorCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.